Did you know you could easily make video orientations for your students with Zoom and then embed them into Canvas courses? You can also make screencasts where you record the screen and annotate on the screen for training videos. Did you know that you can take those same videos and embed them into Canvas quizzes so students can watch a video and then answer questions about the content? Did you know that when you make videos with Zoom, it automatically captions that content for you, and it's easy to get in there and edit the captions, and more importantly, it's even keyword searchable, so when you type in a keyword, it'll search that keyword and get right to that part of the video? Did you know that there's a self-enroll course that you can sign up for to learn more about how to make Zoom videos for Canvas, and that course is video on demand and you can go at your own pace? Well, today, as part of the East Campus regional meeting, I shared some of these techniques and I developed this course kind of as outsourced memory. Circles has for a very long time made training available in the form of YouTube videos or other training videos. But now that the school has Zoom, I figured that a lot of teachers would like to know how to use Zoom to make that content. So if you'd like to enroll in this, it's a self-paced course. It's kind of your own learning. Anybody can go in and learn how to do this and create content and ask questions. And so it's there for you. I just wanted you to know about it. All right, bye-bye.